No way, Jack. Just let it happen. Oh, yeah.
Just let me love you. Let me be almost inside you. Let me.
See, like tonight would be a good night for you to grab a bottle of wine and sit at the house. See what I'm saying? Not every fucking day. You know, just naturally, you know, just hang out, get a couple bottles of wine, fill your fucking complete thermos. Yeah.
Vino, my Vino Amiga.
I just can't hide it. Cause you know, I know, and we know what we wanna do.
Hold on a minute, I'm gonna donate.
What are you doing?
Donate. You said, I wanna love you clearly.
I wanna love you, please you. Let you know around it. Got to do it, finger popping. That's just cause we know when if I'm moving too slow.
You better let me know.
Yes, you let me know. Daddy's got fingers. That's what daddy fingers. What's Connor call them? Daddy fingies.
I got daddy fingers waiting for you, my lady.
Daddy fingers. Fingies.
Tell me how it's gonna be when I got my fingers inside of thee.
Where are you going?
Downtown, downtown. Dirty fingers.
No daddy fingies. That's gross. Why are you riding through the stop sign?
I'm colorblind and I can't read. This movie. Why don't you fill me up with a little bit of love? I want a full glass of love in you.
Full glass of milk that says that's you. I'd like to drink you like a full glass of milk.
I like to finger bang you till you rush like a river. That's the way I roll, the way I roll. Gonna finger bang you till you pass out low. Don't even gotta use my dick.
Hey.
Cause I'm the orangutan man, yeah man. Orangutan. Girl, put your hands on my wang. I wanna love you, so spank me too.
Watch out for electric, man.
Oh. I wanna love you, lady, lately, lady. In the back of my Mercedes, Louisiana, we made love from 12 a.m. to 3. she saw me. I'm just kidding. She's gone fishing. And she there waiting for me to pop, 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 pop up her stuff. Da-da-da, da-da-da. Jig, bleep, 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 bleep. All right. Cut. That's a wrap.